Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to convert your normal account into a business account in Instagram and you are looking out a guide to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up an Instagram account for that, and once you open up Instagram, go to your profile in the bottom right corner and select it. And once you select your profile, this dashboard should appear on your screen. And I just need to look out for the three menu in the top right corner and select it. And after you select it, you just need to scroll down and go to the section for professionals. And there you'll be finding an option called account type and tools. So just go over and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, you will be finding an option to switching up to a professional account. So select that option right there. And after that, you just need to go over and tap on next and confirm it up. You can select up your account, tap on switch to professional account, and convert it up. Once you do so, you will be given an option what kind of professional account are you trying to create. So you need to select the second option called business, which is best for the retailers, local businesses, brands, organizations, and service provider. So once you do so, just go and tap on next and complete the account verification process for that. And once you do so, your account verification request should be done. You just need to go ahead and refresh your page right there, and you will be finding the professional dashboard on your screen, which means that your account has been now converted into a business account in Instagram. You can look out for your professional dashboard right there and look out for the insights within your profile, your professional dashboard, your AI tool, ad tool, etc. And even go ahead and edit your business account information by tapping on this edit profile and adding in the necessary information for your business. And that's it, everybody. It is pretty quick and easy if you'd like to go ahead and create up a business account in Instagram. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.